Okay, very interesting sum is displayed on the screen. You can see it. Construct 2 by 2. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix whose elements Aij are given by this matrix or this definition. Aij is 2i minus j, or else Aij is equal to I into j. This type of questions we're going to see in today's class. And also we're going to see how to do these equality based sums. And also we're going to see how to add and subtract these type of sums. And then mostly I'll have to teach you what is something called as transpose of the matrix, and then this topic will going to get over in uh, you know uh, till the end of this video. So let's begin quickly without wasting time how to do this question number 3. And how okay, I'll just take this a little down. One second, hold on for a moment, and then I'll start solving this sum. Okay, now how will do this? Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so now understand, first of all matrix A क्या है 2 by 2, मतलब इसका एंट्री क्या है, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम, second row first column, second row second column. Are you understanding what is this matrix is? This first number indicate the row and the second number indicate the column. So I hope you understood what is this Aij. Aij is, I is nothing but a row and j is nothing but the column. And now that is defined as 2i minus j. Matlab, when I is 1 and j is also 1, what this entry will become? 2 into 1 minus j. J is also 1. Are you getting it? So it will become whatever. Okay, that will become 2 minus 1. 1. I hope you understood. Okay, when I is 1 and j is 2, when I is 1 and j is 2, what will happen? 2 into 1, because I is 1 and j is 2, minus 2, because यहाँ पर column name is 2. I hope you understood what is this. Okay, so it will become 2 ones are 2 minus 2, that will become 0. I hope you understood how the matrix is forming. Now what is this? This is now I is becoming 2 and j is becoming 1, because this is second row and the column 1, row 2 and column 1, row 2, that means I is 2. Are you getting it? I is 2 and column is 1. So I is 2, 2 is a 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 will become 3. I hope you understood how I got this entry 3. Now, this is second row and second column. I is also 2 and j is also 2. I, j, isn't it? I is also 2 and j is also 2. So, we will plug the value. 2 into 2, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 will become 2. And that's how this matrix, first matrix we have obtained. Did you understood how I got this? Now I'm giving you this one is for your homework. Okay. Now some people can do like, however, like, A1 entry, and then A1 2 entry, then A2 1 entry, and A2 2 entry. ऐसे भी solve हो सकता है. मतलब when I is 1, J is 1, you can plug over here. So 1 into 1, that will become 1. 1, 2. So I is 1 and j is 2. So 2 ones are 2. When I is 2 and j is 1, 2 ones are 2. And when I is 2 and j is also 2, 2 into 2 will become 4. So what will be the matrix? So the matrix will become 1, 2, 2, 4. And that's it. So that is the new matrix. Are you understanding how easily I could do that? That's simple, guys, isn't it? Really simple these sums are, isn't it? I hope you understood and you enjoyed learning this type of sum, and I hope you finished doing this in your book as well, isn't it? If you've finished it, it's really nice. If you've not finished something, you can pause the video over here and copy paste. Let's move ahead to the next question. Question number 4. You can simply do this simultaneous equation. Say 2, okay, find the values of x and y if 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. So you can just do this simultaneous equation and you're going to get the value of x and y. Okay, same thing over here. Okay, in question number 4, 5, 6, 7, they're all the same type of the question, isn't it? So I am just choosing this question number 7. Okay, here you can get the values of x and y very easily. X plus 3 is 5. I'm just solving the question number 6. X plus 3 is equal to 5 by using the equality of the matrix, because this is 4, this is also 4. So from here we will get x is equals to, get this 3 on this side, so x is 2. For this, x is 2. And for how we're going to get y minus 4, okay, y minus 4 is equals to 3. So get this 4 on this side, so y will become 7. So this is the value of y. You understood? So y is 7. How easily I could get the values of x and y, and so nicely I'm going to get the 3 marks quickly. Let's try and pluck over here with this 7 sum again, so that your confidence will get doubled up. So over here first sentence क्या होना चाहिए? using by using equality of the two matrices. Equality equality of two matrices. By using equality of the two matrices, what will going to happen? So x plus 2 will become minus 5. X plus 2 is equal to minus 5. Why I could use this equality? Because this is 2 by 2 matrix and there is equal to sign, isn't it? If the order is not same, we cannot use the equality. Remember that, guys. Okay, so x plus 2 is equal to minus 5. That means what? X is equal to minus 7. So simple. So we got the first value of x. Then how are we going to get the value of z? 5z is equals to minus 20. So z will become minus 4. Isn't it so simple? Now, how are we going to get the value of y? Oh, we'll have to do the quadratic equation over here. Look at this. So simple, but we can do it. Guys, I'm just doing this in the horizontal format because I could fit everything on one screen, but you'll have to just go on solving one below one. Just remember that, okay? Please do follow the instructions provided over here. Otherwise, you may lose out your marks because of the uh, incorrect way or incorrect style of writing. So over here I'm comparing this y square plus y with a 6. Okay, so get the 6 on other side, it will get solved. Y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. And then you can do simply y minus 3 into y plus 2, something like that. Y plus 3 and y minus 2. And that the product will become minus 6 and product will become minus. Okay, we have already learned how to do this in the quadratic equation, and I hope by now you know how to do that product and sum formulas, isn't it? I'm not giving that in detail because this video is like on the matrices. So if you do not know something about how to solve this quadratic equation, watch my quadratic equation chapter completely. I have given 13 videos I have done, so you can watch that all the 13 videos and then you can get the expertise of this quadratic equation. So what is this? Y plus 3 into y minus 2. Look at this, y square, and the product is 1y and the product is minus 6. Yeah, so all well. So what is the value of y? Y could be y plus 3 would be equal to 0. That means y is minus 3, or y minus 2 is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 2. Students, remember that you cannot do like this way. You'll have to write it down all that small steps in your book. Then only you're going to get the full marks. Otherwise, you will reduce your marks. You will get reduced marks. Are you getting it? So we found the values of x, y, and z. Did you understand this? How to do? Isn't it very simple? I hope you enjoyed learning, and I hope you finished writing till here perfectly. In case if you're not something finished, you can pause the video and copy paste it quick in your book. Hurry up, guys. Okay. Anyone has any doubt? I hope no doubts. Let's move ahead with the next question. Question number 14. Uh, just copy pasted that question over here somewhere. Yeah. So how to do this question? A is given as this like this, and the matrix B is given like this, and then we are supposed to find 2A plus B. So how are we going to get this 2A plus B, guys? Look at this. So what will happen? 2A plus B. So matrix A is given as 1, 4, 2, 3. So what will happen? 2A, matrix 2A will become 2 into matrix 8. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. So that is matrix 2A. And plus B. What is this matrix B? Matrix B is given as minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. So in case if I to add this 2A plus B, so how am I going to do this? And look at this. I'm just copy pasting it, guys. Okay. Uh, Copy and paste. One second. I'll just pull it down. Okay. Paste. I'm supposed to find this value. Now, what is to be done? Okay, I'll copy paste this 2A like this 2846. Add with plus b, that is minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. So what is going to happen? This will going to happen 2 minus 4 minus 2, 8 minus 1, 7. 4 minus 3, 1, 6 minus 2. Now you will say, oh sir, you have to supposed to do addition, and why we are subtracting? Because of the number is negative. So we have to subtract, isn't it? 6 minus 2, 4. And that's it. We are done. And we will going to get the 1 mark for this, isn't it? So simple. Find the matrix C such that C plus B is equal to 0. Okay, look at this. The condition is very well nicely written over here. So I'll just copy paste it over here and we will solve it on little downside. So copy and I'll paste it over here. So what is the second sum? I'm just pasting over here. Okay, so we will just plug the value. Find the matrix C. So C, what is supposed to find? What is this matrix B? Matrix B is something like this: minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. Now listen very carefully and look at on the screen what is happening. Pay attention. Something nicely things are happening over here. We can solve this equation. So how are we going to get this matrix C something like this? Look at this. This is plus matrix. When we'll shift this matrix to the other side, it will become negative matrix. Are you getting it? So it will become 0, 0, 0, 0, minus, minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. You understood what I did? I just reverse this side and all the inner side has been written as it is. Did you understand? So what will be the answer of matrix C? 0 minus of minus 4, 4. 0 minus of minus 1, 1. 0 minus of minus 3, 3. 0 minus of minus 2, that will become 2. So matrix C is this. That's it, student. Isn't it very, very simple sum? I hope you enjoyed and you learned this perfectly. So, isn't it simple? I hope you liked it. You can, yes, sir. People are asking, sir, can you just zoom out? Yes, I can zoom out. 1 second, hold on. I'll just give the entire sum for you all to copy paste. So, this is the entire sum to copy paste on your screen. Okay, so this was sum number 14, and I hope you finished writing everything in your book. That's nice.